Good evening, everyone. Today we will start our next lesson, lesson number 12, on page number 65, The Count of Monte Cristo. I will tell you the short story of this chapter, and you will do the reading of this chapter by yourself. This is the story of Edmond Dante, a French seaman in the 19th century. He had been made captain and was about to marry the beautiful Mercedes when he was arrested by soldiers. Enemies had accused him of wishing to overthrow the king and bring Napoleon back to power. Although he was innocent and he was imprisoned in the dreadful Chateau d'If, a prison on a small island off the coast of France. There he stayed until he had lost all count of time. Faria, a prisoner in another cell, dug a tunnel into Dante's cell. They tried to find a way of escaping. One day Faria died and Dantes decided on a bold, desperate plan. The guards had the guards had put Faria's body into sack and left him. Dantes took Faria's place in the sack. He decided to let the guards lay him in the grave and cover him with earth. Then, since it was night, as soon as they had gone, he would work his way through the earth and be free. This was his plan. But what happened? He was not thrown in the grave, or he was not buried under the grave, but he was thrown by the soldiers into the water. He had been thrown into the sea and was drawn down towards the bottom by a great stone tied to his feet. The sea was the grave of Chateau d'If. So, what you have to do is you have to do the reading of the whole unit, and then we will start the exercise of this chapter.